Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha Lynn, aka Naturally Aie, and thanks for tuning in with me. Today we're gonna get into a lipstick haul. I went out and purchased the majority of the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine Sheer Shiny lipsticks. There are 10 in all, so we're gonna get into 8 of them today. So if you wanna see what I purchased and what those shades look like, stick around. And before we go anywhere else, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you check out AishaLynn.com for more curls and travel. All right guys, so yes, I went out and I purchased with my own coins, okay? Saved up, because these are not these are not cheap lipsticks. These Fenty Beauty lipsticks are retailing for $22 a pop. There are 10 of them in all. I purchased 8. The only 2 that I did not get, the first one was Sugar Kiss, and I'll picture it somewhere here, and it's just a very, very pinky color. And then I also did not purchase Vamps Who Grunge, because I actually have something similar, or I have had something similar to that when she came out with that during that, like, it was like a galactic or like a cosmic line, like way back when she first launched. So I no longer have that, but it's pretty much the exact same. It's like a purple, it's like a dark purpley with some nice like blue metallics that will reflect out of it. I did not purchase those 2, but everything else, so pretty much all of the nudes, that's what I purchased. So here's my little package. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up because I bought 2 of them and then I ordered the rest. Because I definitely wanted that little lipstick bag that came complimentary. All right, let's get into it. So of course, they come in their standard, let's see if I can hold all of them, in their standard boxing. You guys know the packaging here. And the bullets are actually super cute. You know, like as Fenty is evolving, you can clearly see that she is, you know, redefining how the packaging on the bullets are coming. It does look a little bit smaller. Let me open it up. Do I feel like this one? Now this one I've actually already used. And this is glazed. Do I feel like this is worth 22? Honestly, it all depends on the formula and how much use I get out of it. That's how I determine whether, because honestly, when it comes to black owned, I will pay whatever, as long as the product works and as long as the brand is standing for a good cause, the brand is honest about what they do, the ingredients and the products that they use to create, you know, whatever it is. So if they are following, you know, those, you know, few things that I think are basic, then I have no problem, you know, shelling out whatever it is to support the brand. And of course, you guys, whatever beauty, anytime that there's a beauty video, I'm gonna just unpackage these really quickly. Anytime that there's a beauty video that I do, you guys are 9 times, almost always gonna see a Fenty Beauty product, just because that just happens to be a brand that I trust, and I have no problem going back to them time and time again. Alright, so before I get started, I do have just a clear lip balm on right now. A couple of things that I'm going to say about the Fenty Slip Shines are that they are sheer, so I've been watching tons of reviews and I do know that they look really good on pretty much everyone that puts them on, but they do show up differently based on the color of your lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and take off my clear balm, and then I am going to go ahead and apply them in the number order that they were released in. Okay. I'm all done here swatching the 8, what are they called? Slip Shine Sheer Shining Lipsticks by Fenty Beauty. At the end of the day, honestly, it's easier to say which ones I don't like than which ones I absolutely love. From the 8 that I have purchased, at the end of the day, I ended up choosing Goji Gang, Goji Gang, Goji Gang as the lip of choice to complete this look. I would say that it is a top 3 favorite of mine from what I do have, but to complete this particular eye look, yes, I believe that the Goji Gang won this one. Without a doubt, I would absolutely repurchase every single one of these again, except for the only one that I would probably not repurchase is going to be actually number 1, quartz candy. Honestly, I just feel like it's very, not young, but it's like, I feel like this would be good for like a younger me. It's just, it's very pinky. And okay, let me just explain the reason why I purchased all these, and then I'll kind of explain why I feel this way about the quartz candy. Because I'm very picky about my lipsticks. I haven't figured out yet what I like the best, but I absolutely love nudes, and I absolutely love anything shiny. Anything that has like a gloss to it. So I do have a couple of nudes. I have a couple of lipsticks that are really close to nudes by like Maybelline and like things like that. But I always find myself putting Gloss Bomb on top. Sidebar, I also love Gloss Bomb, but I don't always want just a gloss. Super picky. But so it's weird. These, I feel like I can drop one in like each of my like bags. I can leave, well, I wouldn't leave it in the car because it's really hot out right now. But you know, like I can just leave them places, and if I feel like, okay, I just need to like just throw some gloss on or just throw something on my lip, these are perfect. I know on the website, it says something about, you know, these are meant to be, you know, grab and go. You don't need like a mirror to apply them. It's supposed to be super, you know, just efficient, really, is really what the word is. And I can absolutely vouch for that. I feel like I could throw any one of these on at any time with any makeup or no makeup even, and look absolutely like just, okay, honey, what you got on your lip? I honestly cannot say enough good things. That was a first impressions review of every single one except for, what is it? Retro Rose. Retro Rose I used like 2 days ago for the first time. But everything else was the first time me using it here, and I absolutely love them all. So if you are someone who would like to use a lipstick but doesn't want super matte, sometimes I feel like lipstick can be like kind of cakey. I don't know if that's the right word for it, like powdery. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but there's something about it it's just not as nice as like gloss is, but you don't want the stickiness of a gloss, because this Slip Shine is not sticky at all. I don't feel like my lips are like I have to go like pat them. I don't know what that is, but I feel like they're very, like, they're in place. I did not need a lot of product to go over. You guys saw I used maybe like 2 or 3 swipes and the product was on, and yeah, I absolutely, this is probably a super chaotic review compared to the hair reviews that I'm doing right now, but it is what it is. Oh, completely forgot to mention this. If you ordered it online, if you ordered 2 or more of the Slip Shines online, I don't know if the website is still doing this, but if you did, Fenty did send out a little like lipstick pouch, lipstick bag with your order. So let's open that one up. Okay. Oh, that's cute. All black. It says Fenty on there. Let's see. Oh, and the zipper is the handle. That's cute. Okay. And let's see. So I would just, oh, how many can I fit in here? Wait a minute. How many can I fit? Oh, okay. What, 3? 3 is the max. Okay, but still, that is cute. I don't know that I would actually go around like wearing it on my like wrist like that, like just lipsticks. But there are a lot of other things I could put in here. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in with me. You guys have a good one. Be safe, be healthy, stay home. Love you guys. Until next time, stay safe.